So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can extract text from an image using Copyfish OCR software. So the first thing you want to do is to open your browser. I use Microsoft Edge. So you just want to go ahead and type something like extract text from image extension. And the first option here is Copyfish free OCR software. So you just click on that. So you want to go ahead and click on Get. So wait while we'll add the extension to yes, we want to add extension. Now OCR has been added automatically to your Microsoft Edge browser. To access it, you can easily come to your extension section and under Copyfish free OCR software, you have to click this eye tool to show on the toolbar. So this is the extension, the Copyfish OCR extension. Now you can use Copyfish OCR extension to actually copy text right from your browser or from an image. And of course, we know you don't necessarily need an extension to copy text. You can easily copy text from your browser by right-clicking and dragging your mouse all over the text you want to copy. So let's head over to the image that we want to grab the text from. But before we do that, let's make some adjustments. So go to your extension. Right beside your Copyfish free OCR software, you're going to see these three dots, more actions, click on it, and you're going to see the desktop text capture. All right, click on it, and it says the desktop screen capture helper is not yet installed. This free helper app is required as the browser extension alone cannot take desktop screenshots. So let's click on download the helper app. Now you have to select the module that fits your device. If you use a Windows computer, you can click for Windows. If you use a Mac OS, you can click for Mac. And if you use a Linux, you can go for Linux. I'll just go ahead and click for Windows. All right, now in case your laptop brings out this prompt telling you that this software can harm your device, that is just your computer defender trying to keep you safe. But this file is particularly safe because we installed it. Remember, we got it directly from Microsoft Edge, from Microsoft.com. So there is no way it can hurt your device. So just go ahead and click keep. Open the folder where the software was installed. Double click to install. Accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. If you see a prompt like this, I'm having this prompt exactly because I've already installed the Copyfish OCR software before, but now I would just like to replace it. So would you like to install that to that folder anyway? So in case you've not had this software before, you won't get this prompt. So I just go ahead and click on yes and click on install. So it says thank you for installing this module. So we have this module already installed. Now the next thing we have to do is go back to your extensions, go to this three dots, more actions, click on the desktop text capture. Now you can easily again drag Now we no longer see that prompt that tells you don't have this thing installed. So it means you can actually use this particular extension now to get to extract text from your desktop. Now imagine this desktop, whatever you are seeing here is an image. All right, you can easily copy the text from it. So you can use this feature to actually copy text from the particular picture. But this is not what we want to do. We don't want to copy text directly from just the desktop this way. All right, we want to copy text directly from an image. Okay, now this is an image on your desktop. Imagine you want to copy this particular text that says the default home folder location is on your desktop. You can do that by right clicking and dragging, because this particular file here is an image, all right, and not a text. So if you use the OCR desktop tool, you can actually grab the text from this image on your desktop. So we wait, let OCR analyze the text on that image. So your text is ready. You can easily click copy to clipboard and then paste it somewhere. So I'll just go ahead and I'll open up an empty sticker note and paste in the text. The default home folder location is on your desktop. The location can be changed to anywhere, including a network drive or a source control. Exactly what we have here. Now, what about if we have an image on your file manager or your file explorer and you want to copy the text on that image? Remember, you don't have this image on your browser here. You have it right there inside your file explorer on your computer. How do you grab that particular text on that image? It's very simple. Navigate to where the image is. So we're going to use this particular screenshot. Now this is the screenshot of an image, all right, that contains the different results when you type in File Manager Plus into your YouTube. All right, now you can actually use this to grab text from YouTube. So let's say, for instance, you're making a YouTube video. Let's say you're making a YouTube video. Let's give some practical examples now. So let's head on to YouTube. Let's say you're making a YouTube video on latest sci-fi movies. So let's say you're making a YouTube video on latest sci-fi movies, and you have this drop down, all right, and you want to copy this text here. Now YouTube does not allow you to automatically copy. When you want to copy, when you right click and drag, it automatically takes those it automatically disappears. So the best thing you can do is hold your Windows key and your Shift key and then click the S button on your keyboard. Then this sniping tool appears. All you have to do is drag it over the text you want to copy. Probably you want to use for your YouTube description or for your research purposes. Then release. That particular image has been copied to your clipboard. We should get that. We didn't get that. Let's try that again, please. Windows key, Shift S, drag. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not displaying. It's supposed to show me where I can save the particular screenshot I just copied. So in case yours does that, you can easily look for that screenshot in the folder where you saved it. So I already have mine saved here for something I did before. So all I have to do now to extract this text on these particular screenshots. Okay. All right, to extract this text on this particular screenshot, all I have to do is simple. Right click on the screenshots, go to Open List, select Microsoft Edge. So you open that screenshot on Microsoft Edge. So this is the screenshot. then you go through the same route. Go to your Copyfish free OCR software, click on it. Now it says if this message does not disappear, try reloading the page. So let's close and try it again. Now we are not supposed to have this message because actually we've already installed that particular software that helps us, sorry, the extension, the module rather, that helps us copy stuff from the desktop. So let's go to extension and see what's the problem. Click on the three dots, click on desktop. So you saw the option I clicked on. I can't remember it again. So you have this option out for you. You don't have that error again that pops up. So you drag and copy the text. All right, so we have this, and then you wait for it to analyze the OCR conversion progress. Now we have our text copied, and as usual, you can simply paste them here, and you can use it for your YouTube and whatever you need the text from. So this is a pretty cool way you can copy text from images up onto you can copy text on images or convert your image to text files. So remember, when you want to copy the text from a particular image file that you open on your Microsoft Edge, if going this route does not work, all you have to simply do is click on the extension, go to this three dots, and click on desktop text capture. Then you can do that. Now, if you don't want to go through this route, you can actually set it to automatically detect the text. All you do is click on extension, click on the three dots. Now come to extension options, scroll down to desktop OCR. Always use desktop OCR. Click on it, and voila, I think we are cool here. So let's go back to our screenshots and just click on it, and you're not going to see that error anymore. So this is the pretty way you can copy text from image. You can extract text from your image on using your laptop. If you're using your phone, you can actually do this in a very simple way. Google, if you're using an Android phone, you can simply click on the image and then click on share and look for an option that looks like I don't really remember the name, but something like text to image or something like that, and you will see those options there. But if you're using a computer or your laptop, probably this is one of the easiest way you can do that. Let me know if this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, I'll be in the comment sections. See you in the next video.